Bravo, Nvidia. Bravo. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to give you a quick video on Nvidia versus cryptocurrency. Basically, what happened today was they stated that they are going to reduce the productivity of crypto mining on the RTX 3060 cards when they release. This way, gamers will be able to get a hold of the cards more effectively and also deter the miners away from them. What they did also state is they will not they will not nerf the current ones that are out, meaning the 3080s or the 3090s or 3070s or the 3060 Ti's. They will, make sure that they still run at 100% capacity, but the cards going forward, they're going to make sure that they're at least 50% or nerfed at 50%. The reason for this is because a lot of crypto miners are grabbing up GPUs left and right. There's not enough for everybody to grab one between gamers and crypto miners, and also the scalpers are out there and they're like grabbing them up as well using their bots. So it's just whole chaos right now. It's a really bad time to try to build a PC. And if you can build a PC, just grab whatever GPU that you can get and just hope for the best. Later on down the line, you can grab up a newer graphics card when you can. Another thing Nvidia decided to do was they decided to create CMP products, which are basically crypto mining processing units. They previously did this with a graphics card, like a GTX 10 something. I can't remember the exact number, but there was one graphics card that they did that did not have any display ports at all on it. You could just put in your computer and it worked, and it was just specifically for crypto mining. I've seen this on a video from Ozchalks Hardware, and he discovered what it was and he reverted it back to gaming. And he said that, that was a good card for mining and gaming for its time. But now with Nvidia doing this CMP thing, they're trying to get back to that. Now, our article that I found on CNBC.com, it states that the CMP products which don't do graphics are sold through authorized partners and optimized for the best mining performance and efficiency. What that means is it is specifically made for crypto mining. So you can get better results from these cards than you can with your current GPUs if you have them. So in this paragraph right here, this states that Nvidia is letting them know that the RTX 3060 will not be as effective at mining crypto as the other cards are. So again, they're nerfing the card 50% for crypto mining. Then in the next paragraph, they state that the RTX 3060 software drivers are designed to detect specific attributes of the Ethereum cryptocurrency mining algorithm and limit the hash rate or cryptocurrency mining efficiency by around 50%. So again, reiterating that they're letting them know, hey, this is going to come out and it's only going to be effective or efficient 50% of the time. Just to cover one more thing here, it states that cryptocurrency and blockchain is here to stay. The market need for it is going to grow, and over time it will become quite large. That's the CEO of Nvidia realizing this back in 2017. So Jensen, if you realized this in 2017, why didn't you do something then? Like, granted, you did do the one card then, but it wasn't enough. You knew it wasn't enough. I'm just happy that he's finally doing something about it and that Nvidia is actually stepping up to the reins, noticing that this is a market that they can get into and effectively not only serve us as gamers, but also crypto miners as well. Heck, I might even just build a crypto rig just to have one. Like, if it's reasonable enough, you know what I mean? So there we go. Now you're probably wondering the specifications on the CMP cards or the crypto mining cards. This is it right here. Now there are going to be 4 different cards. There's going to be a 30HX, a 40HX, a 50HX, and a 90HX. Each one has different hash rates for, Ethereum, or I'm pretty sure you can use it for other crypto mining as well. And also it gives you the power rating, the power connectors that are required, the memory size, as well as the availability. Now, two of these, which are the 30HX and the 40HS, will be available Q1 of 2021. The 50HS and the 90HS will be available on Q2 of 2021. I'm not sure the exact dates, but as soon as I do find out, I will definitely make sure I do an update video on this and let it be known when they will be released. Now, as far as the memory sizes go, it's going to be 6, 8, and then 10 for the last two respectively. Now, that's pretty good for the memory capacity on these cards, or the memory size on these cards. That does help with the hash rate. So the higher you go, the better, hash rate you have. Obviously, again, there you go. So here's my question to you guys. Do you think this will help the GPU market stabilize a bit more? Or do you think this will help gamers get their cards? Or do you think this will help miners get what they want as well? In my opinion, once this is released and once everything stabilizes, everybody's going to be happy. It's going to be a fair market once again, and that's all we can hope for. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to drop a like. If you didn't, that's perfectly fine as well. But until next time, see you later.